I like to narrate stories a lot. The story begins with two girls away from home on their bicycles and in an unknown state, surrounded by troubles in rural Odisha. Anyway, this is a too long story. I will save it for later. Hello everyone, this is Vaishnavi Bhujbal. The best days of our lives are childhood days, right? So let's start from my childhood. My journey started long time ago when I was just 8 years old. I joined karate classes just as a hobby and my coach saw me deliver punches at my opponent and he suggested me to take up with boxing. My family supported me. Usually what people think, it's just a hobby. She will continue for a few years and she will stop. It's just a hobby. She is a girl. She can't go into sports like that. एंड ऑफकोर्स टिपिकल मेंटालिटी लड़की है घर में बैठो रसोई संभालो कहाँ इन सब चीजों में पढ़ रहे हो इट्स नॉट लाइक आई नेवर पिक अप बुक्स आई स्पेंड माई होल टाइम इन जिम आई यूज टू मैनेज बोथ I used to play a lot of state level competitions and national levels. However, I was not satisfied with it. I wanted to achieve more, so I decided to cover Indian Golden Quadrilateral on bicycle as I had learned that the route was covered by only boys, never by girls. When I broke the news, I faced some opposition from friends, relatives, and everyone around me. They said, why do you want to go? Two girls on their bicycles travel 1,500 kilometers, exploring 12 states and 2 union territories. No one would think it is safe. Before even starting my journey, I faced huge speed breakers. It is slow me down. But what is even the point if I don't rise back again, gain momentum and start pedaling again? I cannot just stop because one of that speed breaker. Many such speed breakers will pop up on your path. Ask yourself, would you stop because of just that? Still, I started my journey. The road was no means easy. I kept facing hurdles. While I was near Hubli, I remember being stopped by truck driver. I had to call one of my friends for backup to get out of that situation. That incident got me thinking, am I really safe out here? Or was the society correct that girls are not safe while traveling? It reminds me of that story I mentioned at the start. I mentioned about two girls in Odisha, filled the tribals that they met. There were some of the sweetest people they had ever met. The girls I was talking about, me and my friend, with whom I completed my golden quadrilateral ride. As you can see here, we both happy and smiling. I live my best moment there that day, not just that, throughout the journey. Whenever I went, I received warm welcome. This is just proof that women can be safe anywhere in the country. We people want to be safe. The mental barriers that women can't be safe is the one I'd like to break. This safety was just another speed breaker that I had to face on the journey. Just think about how would you tackle speed breakers? Slow down beat, take a short pause and then pick up speed again. Most people fail to understand that sometimes all you need is little break and not let others you from your dream. Safety was not the only issue that we faced. A major hurdle in our journey, we also the cycle tire getting punctured. However, I was always thought to keep a backup and that situation, it was the tire puncture kit that I had. It really helped me a lot throughout my journey. I kept pulling me out of the hurdle I faced anywhere. Just as the kit, my companion to repair tires, my family and friends were the backup kit of my life who kept helping me whenever I faced any problems. Every few hours in my journey, I used to talk with them. Their words were the air for me. They kept me inflated with positivity and determination. Interacting with your friends and family is the one of the best medicine for any situation at any time. In 2019, I was preparing for Kickboxing World Championship to be held in Russia. I injured my lower back while deadlifting. The doctor suggested me I withdraw myself from that championship. It hit me so bad mentally that coping up with it feels like a real deal. I felt like मैं पूरी तरीके से टूट चुकी हूँ. I never imagined in my wildest dream that just a month prior to one of my most important event, this would happen in I will be able to put on my gloves again. Like every cycle needs oil and grease to work smoothly. I was in serious need of upliftment and motivation to help me pedal upwards on this step, incline and scale large height of success. My family and friends were again there for me, helping me get over that situation. They were the ones because of whom I could go into that phase and emerge out like a champ by winning gold medal in 2019 Russia Kickboxing World Championship. However, not all days are sunny. I was able to recover from that major injury, but I could not do it a second time. One day, while I was riding my bike, I met with an accident, the result of which my right leg got fractured. Just after the impact, I tried standing up, but felt that one of my leg wasn't touching the ground. I couldn't even feel my leg. My whole life, my whole career, everything turned to mere dust. I cut off all social interaction, tried to clear my mind, take a clear look at this maze. I immersed myself in book, drawn in music, all day and all night. At that point, it struck me that sometimes a bit of isolation is very essential. After this accident, I dumped all out of negativity in my life. I started talking positive things from life, but with all of this going on with me, I had this pit in my stomach that I had still have so much more to prove. You can't just sit like हाथ पे हाथ रख के, right? I have come too far to just quit and stop pursuing my passion. You can emerge again, just like phoenix rising from its ashes. I never hope to walk again. Yet here I am standing in front of you. Despite I having all these major setbacks, I never felt like giving up. Always kept on pedaling forward. Yeah, because sometimes you have to pedal backward only to gain momentum and start traveling new path again. For exploring more and more in life, you have to keep pedaling, pursuing yourself out of your comfort zone. You can't just everything by staying in restricted cage. The cage in your comfort zone as the biggest enemy of your growth. I pedaled my way through the golden quadrilateral at the age of 18. I managed to dodge the punches of depression and anxiety at the age of 19. Underwent a life-changing accident at the age of 20. Yet, today I stand here as if unbothered from all of it. If I can battle the claws of mental struggle while going through all that was holding you back, did you come down here to be defeated by the mental flaws so easily? No, even if you start today, is there anything that's going to hold you back from pedaling? Give a thought and start pedaling on your way to freedom. Thank you.